Google just dropped something, and almost nobody understands how powerful this really is. If you're still using AI to just ask questions, you're already behind. Because this new system doesn't just answer, it executes. Emails, slides, scheduling, research, all done automatically from one command. Let's break this down simply. Most AI today works like this. You ask, it replies, you do the work. But Gemini Agent Mode flips that. You give it a goal, not a question, and it figures out the steps, uses tools, and completes the task. Think of it like this. Normal AI equals calculator. Agent AI equals employee. One gives answers, the other actually gets things done. Let me show you what this looks like in real life. Imagine you type, plan my week, summarize my emails, and prepare a presentation for my meeting. Now, normally, you'd spend 2 to 3 hours doing this, but with Gemini Agent Mode, it opens your emails, reads everything, writes replies, organizes your calendar, creates a Google Slides presentation, all automatically. That's not AI assistance, that's AI execution. Here's why Google might win this race. They already own your workflow. Gmail, Docs, Drive, Calendar, YouTube, everything is connected. So Gemini doesn't need extra setup. It's already inside your digital life. Other tools? You connect APIs, configure systems, build workflows. Gemini, you just type and it runs. It's like comparing setting up a factory versus pressing a single button. Let's break down the core features quickly. Autonomous tasks. You give a goal, it handles everything step by step. App integration. It works directly inside Google Tools, no plugins needed. Real web browsing. It can search, read, and use live internet data. Recurring tasks. You can schedule it like every morning, summarize my emails. Multi-step thinking. It can chain tasks together without losing context. Now let's be real for a second. This is powerful, but it's not magic. According to Google's own documentation, it still needs your supervision. You must review tasks before confirming. It's experimental and limited, not available for everyone yet, requires a premium AI plan. So no, you can't just turn it on and disappear. But even saving 70% of your time, that's already a massive advantage. If you want to try this, here's how. Open Gemini, enable Agent Mode, connect your Google apps, start with a real task. Example, summarize my last 10 emails and tell me what needs urgent reply. Don't test it with random stuff. Use something you actually do daily. That's where you'll feel the difference. Now here's my honest take. This isn't about AI replacing you. It's about who learns to use it first. Because imagine this, 2 people have the same job. One uses AI like a chatbot, the other uses AI like a worker. Who wins? This is the shift. And for creators, freelancers, business owners, this means you can handle more clients, create more content, save hours every day without burning out. That's the real opportunity. If you want more videos breaking down AI tools like this, subscribe now and tell me in the comments, what would you automate first? Because the next wave of success is not about working harder, it's about building systems that work for you.